I'm not wearing the camera. Got a 2013 Audi S5 V6. Just recommended some valve covers because there was a little bit of leakage on the front driver's side corner. You can see it's kind of messed up. But I didn't do a video of me taking these off. There wasn't too much information, and I've never done these before. Pretty much a huge pain in the ass. So these right here, Audi tells you just to break them off, but I don't have time for that. So we just flipped them around, and you got to take out the air box, and then there's a couple hidden, like not hidden bolts, but down here in the corner of the. Let me see if I can get you a good look here. Down here in the corner of the valve cover right there. You got to use an Allen wrench because there's no room for a tool, so you got to do that one by hand. Be a little tricky to torque, but the same on this side as well. So, but you can see it was leaking out of that corner. So, just doing a little valve cover gasket job. Pretty simple, but this is what I just see every day. And then yeah, I'll get you a nice little video when it's all put back together and cleaned up and running. I got them all put back together, got them cleaned up. Just had to move the reservoir out of the way, unplug a couple things, and these clips, man, like I said, I just left them on and flipped the valve covers 180 degrees because I didn't want to break them. And then on this side, you take the air box, got to remove this fuel line, air tube, and then the same thing. There's a ground on each one of these coils as well that mounts to the cover, but not too bad. Pays 2 hours. It takes 2 hours, so